Hello and welcome to this MOOC on the fundamentals of revenue management, the second theme in our specialization on hotel distribution, revenue and demand management. In our first MOOC on the fundamentals of hotel distribution, we explored the role and importance of distribution in successfully running a hotel today. In particular, we stressed how, in a sector characterized by fixed capacity, a highly disposable product and high fixed costs, why selling each room each night at the optimum price was essential to maximizing hotel profitability. We examined the rapidly evolving hotel distribution landscape, particularly developments in the OTA space, and how this has had a dramatic effect on hotel marketing, distribution, and even hotel operations. We tackled the controversial issue of distribution cost, questioning the widely held view that working with OTAs is expensive, particularly when all the costs of the only alternative, that is direct distribution through the hotel's brand.com website, are considered. And lastly, we explored how to work more effectively and efficiently with OTAs so as to maximize the potential of these highly powerful online points of sale. By optimizing distribution, or in other words, where the product is available for sale, the first MOOC essentially focused on the various options available to help ensure that each room can potentially be sold each night. In this second MOOC on the fundamentals of revenue management, we switch our attention to the second half of this equation, the interrelated and equally important topic of how to optimize the price or the rate at which hotel rooms are sold on the various distribution channels, so as to maximize both the hotel's revenue but also the return to the hotel's owners. Understanding what has become known as revenue management is yet another essential skill for hotel managers today. And to address this relatively technical issue, we have partnered with Duetto, one of the leading companies working in revenue management in the hospitality sector. Nathaniel Green, their Senior Global Solutions Engineer, will guide you through the revenue management process, helping you to understand the key steps in setting prices for your scarce hotel rooms and examining some of the critical issues surrounding revenue management practices today. Our learning will be structured into 4 modules. In the first, Nathaniel will explain what we mean by revenue management, why it's important, presenting an overview of the entire process and highlighting some of the simple steps to get you started, as well as introducing a lot of the basic terminology that you will need to understand the rest of the course. In the subsequent modules, we will then address the key topics of segmentation, forecasting, and pricing to provide you with an in-depth understanding of the fundamentals of the revenue management process. Both distribution issues and revenue management issues will also feature in our third MOOC on demand management, breaking down today's commercial silos. This will help you integrate your learning from the first 2 fundamental MOOCs, explaining how distribution and revenue management have to be driven by the hotel's asset structure and aligned with the hotel's overall strategy, helping you to better understand the role of what we call demand management in hotel success today.